code, they breached the wall.
It looks like we're going to be listening to a lot of AI music in future. This is from the Brussels Times. Musicians miss out as Belgian retailers turn to AI-generated music in stores. And from Cyber News, Belgium stores are playing AI-generated music because it's cheaper. They've mentioned a hardware store and supermarket in Belgium who are playing AI-generated music in their stores. Not only is it cheaper, but it can also be adapted for promotions. The switch will mean a significant loss of income for the music sector. So a DIY chain with 150 stores in Belgium is doing this, as well as a retailer with over 700 branches in Belgium. They plan to use AI music throughout their stores. Other chains have already introduced AI music. Now, to rule out that the AI music sounds too similar to existing songs by human artists, all AI music is filtered by Shazam, which is interesting. Here are chains that are using AI music. The reason for this is it's royalty-free, and it's part of a marketing strategy that allows them to create specifically tailored and seasonal royalty-free music, such as during the holidays. So here's just a simple example. I am telling an AI to create a song about hackers and cybersecurity. I click create, and within seconds, that music is created. So we can see Firewall Tango here, 2 different versions of the song. Simple prompt, but I could give detailed information with specific lyrics about pricing in a store. Avocados are on special.
Avocados on special. Oh yeah, avocados on special today.
Or whatever it's going to be. But let's play the song.
They creep in shadows behind the screens. Silent whispers in electric dreams. Fingers dance like thieves on wire, building castles in the smoke of fire. They crack the code, they breach the wall. One wrong move and kingdoms fall.
Not bad, that, right? Would you listen to that kind of music? And if you were shopping, would you even know that it was AI music? Here's another one.
Silent whispers in electric dreams. Fingers dance like thieves on wire, building castles in the smoke of fire. They crack the code, they breach the wall. One wrong move and kingdoms fall.
Now, if you were walking in a shop and you heard AI music, would you even notice that it was AI? And if they were singing about their promotions, would it bother you? I think the problem here is we're going to get more and more advertising as we're walking around, because stores and companies can now create AI music, create a lyric saying, buy XYZ product because it's on special at $9.99 or whatever it is. They are going to bombard you with AI music that has specials on it and more advertising. Very sad to see where the world is going, but I can understand the point of view. You can create decent music, perhaps, if you like, or half decent music just by using an AI, and the companies save because they don't have to pay royalties for the music. But what are your thoughts about this? Do you like this kind of music? Would you listen to AI music? Does it bother you that they're going to be playing AI music when you go shopping? And, who knows where else? I think this is going to take over in a lot of places. I think we're going to hear a lot more AI music and see a lot more AI slop in our lives wherever we go. What do you think?